All right, guys, so let's look at the try it problem and how you would go about solving it. So let's look at the problem one more time. The problem reads, a mall has a rectangular outdoor space that is 127 feet by 46 feet. There is a grassy section with a width of 40 feet and a cement sidewalk with a width of 6 feet. What is the area of the outdoor space in square feet? All right, so they have given us this drawing that we can use to help us to solve it, but there's a lot of information there. So let's break it down and see what all this means. All right, so looking at the problem, we have an outdoor area space that is 127 feet by 46 feet, which can be worked out to be a 127 feet times 46 feet. And we want to know how to find the product. Now, the whole key word in this problem is area. Okay? So when you are trying to find the area, you know that you are trying to find the length times the width. And that's where we get the 127 times the 46. So let's look at that picture that they gave us again, but let's break it down into the components to help us understand what it all means. All right, so this is the outdoor area. And we really don't worry about so much what is cement and what is grass, because we want to find the area of the whole thing. And we know that the area is going to be 127 feet. That's going to be our length by 46 feet. And that's going to be our width. Now, we can break down 127 into its expanded form by saying 100 plus 20 plus 7. And we can break down 46 into its expanded form by saying 40 by 6. Plus 6, I'm sorry. Now, that is also where we get the grassy area and the cement area. But it really doesn't matter in this problem because we still are dealing with a width of 46 feet. All right, so now you simply use the area model of multiplication, which this is what it is. It's just that they have taken out the plus signs and they've put arrows and they separated our lines with dashes and different colors, or the grassy part from the cement part. So when we are dealing with each square in the area model, you want to look at this first one that's been done for us, and they say it's a total of 4,000 square feet. But where did they get that 4,000 from? Well, if you look at our area model, that is 40 times 100. And again, if you take your zeros, you have 1, 2, 3 zeros in your factors. So you want to have 1, 2, 3 zeros in your product, and then multiply your outside factors. 4 times 1 is 4, so that's how we got 4,000. So let's look at this area right here, the green area that's between the 20 and the 40. Well, that one we're just simply going to take 40 times 20. That's going to give us 800. And again, 2 zeros, 2 in our answer. 4 times 2 is 8, so 800. How about this area? What will we multiply together to get this one? That's right, 7 times 40. 7 times 40 is going to give us 280. 1 zero in our factors. 4 times 7 is 28. 280.